I am going to show you how to do an I-cord cast on. This is a cowl design of mine called the Virgin cowl, and it has an I-cord at the top edge, and we pick up stitches along that I-cord and then knit down for the rest of the cowl. At the end of the cowl, we did an I-cord bind off, and I will show you how to do that in the next video. So to do an I-cord cast on, first of all, you'll need an I-cord, and we're going to pick up stitches along one column of the I-cord. We'll just make sure we pick them up all in a row so that it looks nice and neat. Now I'm going to do this in a contrasting color just to make it easier to see. But we insert our needle into the first column, and we want to make sure that we get underneath both legs of the stitch. Then we'll take our yarn that we're picking up with, and we'll just loop it around the needle and pull a stitch through. You can think of your I-cord as taking the place of your left-hand needle. So with the right-hand needle, we insert the needle tip underneath both legs of the stitch, wrap the yarn around, pull it through. And we continue doing that all along the I-cord, being careful that you don't twist anything and that you stay in the same column of stitches. And you continue to do that all along the I-cord, or for however many stitches you were instructed in the pattern to pick up. Okay, we'll just continue here for a few more. That is how you do an I-cord cast on. Keep watching. In the next video, I will show you how to do an I-cord bind off. Thanks for watching. See you soon.